What's up, dads? Welcome to day 3 of the vlog. We're outside waiting for our train.
Boat, lizard,
Plane.
Siobhan's happy because her sunburn is kind of starting to disappear.
On your thighs is like gone down.
Yeah, on my thighs it's like gone, but like here you can still see it a bit.
Yeah, but we're going for breakfast, and then today we're gonna take some pictures and then go into town to Playa del Carmen. What's up, dads?
Hola.
Back at it again. We're back in our room now. Change of plans. We're not going downtown. We're gonna go take pictures and then just hang out and try not to get burned this time.
yeah.
So we put on SPF 110
Except me, I put on tanning lotion.
because she's a crack dad. What's up, dads? We're back on the beach today. Had to find some shade, which took a while because Siobhan and I don't want to burn again.
He dads. Kind of pretty.
Literally getting such
That was so funny.
My dads, they're so funny. They're eating that food right there.
No.
We're just watching. They're not doing it.
They're like trying to fly towards the ocean, then the wind pushes them back, so they're actually like drift on.
We got our poo hats on.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Put on a towel.
You're already up to.
Thanks.
We literally need a move. No.
I literally just missed that.
Do you have anything?
No.
Use this towel. No.
Use that towel. Use that towel.
No.
I keep feeling like I'm wet.
We should go.
That's the tea. Now your leg's gonna be all sticky.
I know.
What's up, dads? We're out here waiting for our train again.
Our boat.
We're gonna go for dinner.
Our lizard.
In the last clip, you might have seen Simone getting pooed on. So now we're gonna go eat some dinner.
Shocking.
And then we're gonna go to a circus.
We're eating again. Literally all the clips are us eating.
Eating.
Yeah, there's a circus tonight too, so that's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be really fun to brush.
I hope they're literally a crack dad.
Crack that. Crack lacking.
Siobhan and I got our food first tonight. Got some chips and salsa. This stuff is literally the best thing ever. fun day.
A quirky day.
Quirky day.
Kind of a quirky day. We didn't end up going to town. We're gonna do that another day.
We're at Saturday.
Saturday.
But highlights of the day, Siobhan got pooped on.
Yeah, that's the
A bird pooped on
And
Siobhan.
we went dancing with some old people.
Yeah, we went to a dance party.
An idiot.
And Deanna doesn't know how to dance, as you saw.
So we're teaching her.
Yeah, and tomorrow night she'll be better.
Oh,
Well, I guess we'll see. But hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the rest of the week. Bye. Buenas noches.